This is going to be reading for a sign of Libra. All that you need to know about your person from now until the end of the month. Okay, so let's take 1 week. So what is happening in Libra's life currently? What is really happening in Libra's life? Let's pull 3 cards. Right now with the Hermit card, you guys could have taken a break from all the drama that you guys are going through, or you will be taking a break pretty soon. In the recent past, I would say that you were not so frustrated like you were. I'm not saying you were completely fine and happy, but you were not so frustrated. Okay, top card we have is Six of Cups. There could be a return of a soulmate who is a past person or someone new. Okay, but with Six of Cups, you're definitely meeting someone by the end of this month or the early part of the next month. Okay, what else is happening in Libra's life? But majorly, I see you taking a break from social media, not really being a very, active. Okay, not really going out much, trying to be on your own, doing your own thing. Not because you're upset or sad or depressed, just because you want to spend time, with your own self. With Ace of Wands, this week is all going to be about new beginnings. So I do feel that many of you guys will meet someone new. It's going to be out of attraction. It won't be completely like emotional and romantic. No, I think it's going to be more sexual. Okay, one more card for what's coming up in Libra's life this week. Okay, with Hierophant in the reverse, it tells me that many of you guys are not so focused on commitment like you used to be. Okay, if it's not about commitment, then it could be that you are not so focused on your past. You guys are going with the flow. Okay, and majorly, I believe that many of you guys are not so messed up like you used to be in the recent past. Okay, one more card for what's your person up to. What's your person up to? Libra person. We have Page of Cups. One more card. How are they coming forward towards Libra now? Some of you could be dealing with someone younger. Doesn't have to be, but could be. In terms of how are they coming forward like I believe your person, that is your soulmate, wants to reach out but may not reach out. Reason being, I believe this person wants you to put an effort. I know it's crazy shit, but you are not bothered. With the Hierophant in the reverse, I do not think you're bothered about relationships so much. You're bothered about your own fucking life, to be honest. Okay? And with Page of Cups, this person does want to reach out, but they won't. They will try to resist so that you make a move. Okay? One card, what do they have in mind right now? What do they have in mind right now? I believe this person wants you to choose them. Okay, they may not be like reaching out or reacting or possibly messaging. I see some sort of silence going on, and you're pretty much unbothered by the silence. They do not know that, right? With Three of Wands in the Lovers card, they do have a choice, and they're majorly wanting to choose you, but they want you to make that choice. They want you to take that action forward. Okay, one card for how they're thinking about you now. How are they possibly thinking about you now, Libra? With Nine of Wands, I believe that this person in the past was holding back. They were trying to not give in. They were looking at this connection as negative, as something that would never work. So they were very like negative about the whole outcome. Okay, top card we have is the High Priestess in the reverse. In terms of how they're thinking, they do want to reach out, but I still very much see them holding back. Not because they do not have the energy to, it's just ego, pride. Okay, let me see if my person reaches out. That sort of thinking. Okay, one card for their energy towards you now, Libra. What's this person's energy towards you now? What's their energy towards Libra? They are holding back, darling. They are holding on, but holding back. I do not see a lot of communication coming from their side. Okay, so I believe for you, it's majorly going to be a new person who's going to be charging forward towards you. The past person is watching you, is stalking you, but not exactly trying to reach out. Okay, so one more card for Libras. In terms of their feelings for you, what do they truly have in their heart space for Libra, please? I see them being detached. Okay, I see them truly being detached. This person isn't connected to you like they used to be. Let's be honest. I don't want to give you a very sugar coated reading here. This person in the past or in the recent past could have tried to move on, walk away. This is someone who you are not connected or actively in contact with. I do not think like this is your new soulmate. This has to be your past person. Okay, one more card. So, do they still love Libra? What are their feelings for Libra now? With Two of Pentacles, this person has mixed feelings. I won't want to lie to you. This person is not so connected to you like they used to be, but they are holding on to the idea of still, having this as an option. Okay, like why are they holding on to Libra if the feelings are not there? Why are they holding on to Libra, Spirit? With Five of Pentacles in the reverse, they do not want to lose you. Okay, you are their safe option. I know it's sounding extremely bad, but they do not want to lose you. They still want to hold on to the idea that this could still work in the future if it's needed to be. Okay, one card for their intentions towards Libra. Now, what are their intentions towards Libra? With Ace of Swords, this person wants to communicate or they want you to communicate. They want some sort of communication to start, either from your side or their side. Okay. One card for what action they want to take towards Libra now. What action they truly want to take towards Libra. With Five of Cups, this person is not ready to take any sort of action. If you reach out, they may somewhat try to apologize, but they do not have any sort of intent to put in any strong, effort towards this connection. Okay, what could you expect from this person? What could you possibly expect from this person now? With Six of Cups, I do see a return, but pretty late. I do not see this happening in the next 2 days at least. Okay, this person will reach out, but they'll take their time. They'll wait on you to reach out, and then I see them reaching out eventually. Reason being, you haven't. Okay, so yes, in terms of what do they want from you now? What do they truly want from you now? With Four of Wands, they still want to have this idea that this relationship could work somehow, even if they are putting in no effort. Okay, one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you? In terms of how they view you, they feel you're very financially well off, you're stable emotionally, financially, mentally. You are that safe option that they could choose if nothing else works, to be honest. Okay, with Emperor card, they know that you're in total control of your life, to be honest. Okay, but what are they ready to have with you in the near future? Like what are they looking forward to with Libra Spirit? With Page of Wands, they may want to reach out, okay, they may want to communicate in the near future, but right now I see them holding back. At least for the next 2 to 3 days, do not really expect any sort of communication. I do not think your person is going to reach out. I see this happening at the end of the month or the early part of the next month, that is April. Okay. So yes, in terms of what should you be knowing about this connection, what should Libra be knowing about this connection? Hot and cold, they may be hot and cold towards you. So this is one card. Second card I'm getting is I want you, manifesting. So they haven't left you completely. They are still holding on to the idea that this could work. Okay, one last card. What should Libra be knowing? Last card we have is I love you, I want you, I'm ready. So this person might give you false promises to keep you holding on to them. Okay, but what should Libra be knowing about this connection in terms of future? Soulmate, your person. This person will choose you eventually, but right now they are not wanting to put in any sort of effort. Okay, coming back to what what is blocking this person, like what's blocking Libra's person from choosing Libra or putting in any sort of strong efforts in this connection? What is the major blockage? Major blockage could be their work life or it could be third party. Okay, in the recent past they rejected you, or like let's say a couple of months back this person rejected the idea of you guys working this relationship. Okay, top card, we have here one more card. Please give me one more card for what's really blocking or getting in the way of this connection. Page of Pentacles. This person, I believe, is majorly focused on something new. It could either be a new person or a job or their finances. Okay, I cannot guarantee you everything because this is a general reading. I can't pinpoint about it. The reason being, I can't, really break people's heart, like telling them that their person is connected with someone else. It may not be true. That their person might be very focused on their work life, Pentacles. So I wouldn't want to say it. So I wanted to understand that. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for Libra. It's for the next 7 days. So if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Okay, support the channel through any which way, likes, comments, shares. Okay, and all those who want a personal reading done from me, please reach out on my website. I have also started WhatsApp call reading. It's through text, call, or video call. It's up on my website. You could check out for yourself. Okay, and I'm also going to be posting Libra April pretty soon. Okay, and Libra who are in separation with their person, third party issues, that's going to be a separate reading. Kindly keep track of my Instagram, that is Libra Vibes only, for that extended reading. Okay, thank you for coming in, thank you for your support so far, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.